In this video, I am going to show you how to restart your Vizio TV with the remote quickly and easily. Restarting your Vizio TV can help resolve minor glitches or issues, and it's a simple process that can be done without unplugging the TV. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. First, grab your Vizio remote. To restart your TV, press and hold down the power button on your remote for about 10 seconds. This will turn the TV off and then on again. After it turns on, the TV has effectively been restarted. Step 2. Soft reset, if power button doesn't work. If the above method doesn't work, you can perform a soft reset using the remote. Press the menu button on your remote to bring up the on-screen menu. Scroll to System and select it. Scroll down and select Reset and Admin. Choose Soft Power Cycle and confirm the action. This will restart your TV without losing any of your settings or data. Step 3. Unplug and replug, alternative option. If your TV is still unresponsive, you can unplug it from the wall socket, wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then plug it back in. After doing so, press the power button on the remote to turn it on. That's it. You've successfully learned how to restart your Vizio TV with the remote. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.